Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create chat folders on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In most messaging app, managing chat has to be the most complicated task at hand, especially in app like Telegram where chat are not limited to individuals or group but channels and Telegram bots. Telegram certainly acknowledged the need when it introduced the chat folder feature. And in this video, I will show you how to create chat folder to manage your chat on Telegram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. You'll find there is an option chat folders. You can tap on that. Here's your chat folder. You can create the new one. You can tap on create new folders. You can enter the folder name. Maybe for the example, I will name the folder like this. You can include chat, choose chats or type of chat that will appear in this folder. Contact, maybe from the contact. I will choose some number. I will choose this one and this one. You can tap on checklist. You can also include chat. Choose chat or type of chat that will not appear in this folder. Maybe like this. This type of chat. Tap on checklist. You can also create an invite link for the folder. If you're using premium Telegram, you can choose the folder colored on your chat list. Now tap on the upper right corner, tap on save. So here's your new chat folder on Telegram. Let's see. It will appear on here. It's a simple, right? So that is how to create chat folder on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.